upbeat music plays, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we transform your shopping confusion into clarity. Today, we're diving into a steamy showdown featuring two cleaning contenders, the H2O MOP X5, a versatile 5-in-1 cleaning machine, and the Neugo Steam Mop, a deep cleaning powerhouse. Let's grab our rubber gloves and get started. First up, let's talk about the price. The H2O MOP X5 comes in at $169, which some reviewers think is a bit steep for its plastic construction and mixed cleaning performance. On the other hand, the Neugo Steam Mop is priced at just $119, and many users rave about its affordability and effectiveness, making it a great value. It looks like Neugo takes this round with a clean sweep. Next, let's steamroll into the features. The H2O MOP X5 boasts a 5-in-1 function, which some users appreciate for its versatility in cleaning tasks. However, there are mentions of its awkwardly designed base and cheap plastic materials. Neugo, with its 10 accessories, is praised for being user-friendly and effective across various cleaning scenarios. While both products are packed with features, H2O MOP X5 shines for versatility, while Neugo stands out for its practical attachments. Now, let's get steamy! The H2O MOP X5 offers 1,300 watts of steam power, which some users find adequate but not exceptional. In contrast, Neugo heats up to a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and reviewers love its ability to tackle tough grime effectively. Neugo takes this round for bringing the heat and delivering impressive cleaning results. Let's talk usability. Many reviewers find the H2O MOP X5's mode switching complicated and frustrating, while users praise Neugo for its adjustable steam mode and ease of use. The adjustable height feature on Neugo is also a hit, making it comfortable for everyone to use. Neugo takes this round for being user-friendly and easy on the back. In summary, while the H2O MOP X5 offers versatility, its construction quality and usability issues have led some reviewers to be disappointed. In contrast, the Neugo Steam Mop is highly praised for its affordability, effectiveness, and user-friendly design, making it a favorite among users. So, there you have it. Neugo wins for price, steam power, and usability, while H2O MOP X5 brings versatility to the table. Which mop will you choose? The budget-friendly Neugo or the multitasking H2O MOP X5? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Outro music fades out. Happy mopping, everyone!